Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study accountancy for Cuet step by step. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the entire Cuet accountancy syllabus. Next, familiarize yourself with the exam pattern, including the number of questions, types of questions, and the marking scheme. Finally, gather all your essential study materials, including textbooks, reference guides, and any online resources, to build a strong foundation for your preparation. This initial phase is crucial for setting the right direction. Moving on, it's vital to master the core concepts. Dedicate significant time to understanding fundamental accounting principles, theories, and conventions. Once you grasp the basics, practice numerical problems extensively from every chapter. Aim to solve at least 20 to 30 problems per topic to build confidence and speed. Additionally, solving previous year's question papers will provide invaluable insight into common question types and important areas, helping you refine your approach. Effective time management is your key to success. Create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific hours for each subject and topic, and commit to following it daily. It's wise to dedicate more time to challenging topics or areas where you feel less confident, perhaps an extra 1 or 2 hours per week. Regular revision of all concepts is absolutely crucial to ensure long-term retention and prevent forgetting important details before the exam. Finally, mock tests are indispensable for your preparation. Take full-length mock tests under strict timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to identify your strengths and, more importantly, your weaknesses. This analysis will help you refine your approach. Develop a strong exam-taking strategy, focusing on time allocation per question and maintaining accuracy, ensuring you are fully prepared on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.